Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about the effect of amount of oxygen on metabolism. The amount of oxygen available to an organism has a significant impact on its metabolism, which is the sum of all chemical reactions that occur in the body to maintain life. First, when there is high oxygen level. When there is enough oxygen, the body performs aerobic respiration to produce energy. About 38 to 36 ATP molecules are produced per glucose molecule. It has very high efficiency and produce a large amount of energy. It is used in normal body activities like walking, thinking, digesting. Its effect: high oxygen supports faster and more efficient metabolism. Second, when there is low oxygen level. When low oxygen is present or the body switches to anaerobic respiration and fermentation. The ATP molecules produced are much less, so this is much less efficient than aerobic respiration. It is used in emergency situations like heavy exercise or in organisms living in oxygen poor environment. So its effect: slower metabolism and less energy and build up of waste product like lactic acid, which can cause muscle fatigue. Third, when there is extremely high or extremely low oxygen. In hypoxia, cells do not get enough oxygen, and in anoxia, complete lack of oxygen. So its result is metabolism slows down or may stop, can lead to cell damage or death. While oxygen is essential for cellular respiration and energy production, means metabolism, excessively high levels can lead to oxygen toxicity, which can damage cell and impair their function. This damage can in turn disrupt metabolic processes. So its effect: it is life threatening in humans, can damage organs like brain and heart. So we get a conclusion from here. The amount of oxygen greatly influences how efficiently the body produces energy. Like if there is more oxygen, there is efficient metabolism. If there is less oxygen, there is less efficient metabolism. And if there is a very high concentration of oxygen or no oxygen, metabolic failure can occur and possible cell death. Thank you.